Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the KPIT test structure and also the complete syllabus for all the circuit branches. So the selection process will be conducted in 3 stages. So there will be 3 stage selection process. So the first thing is the day 1. So that is on Saturday 17 April 2021. So it is open for all the candidates who have registered. So there will be first online test which will be conducted on Saturday, that is 17th April 2021. And next thing is the day 2, that is on Sunday 18th April 2021. So for shortlisted candidates from day 1. So those who have cleared the first round, that is on day 1, so then they will be getting the test link for the second round which will be conducted on the next day, that is on 18th April 2021. And next thing is that the day 3, that is on Wednesday 21 April 2021, and this is for the shortlisted candidates from day 2. So those who have shortlisted from the day 2, they will get the test link for the next round on April 21st 2021. So this is the selection process of KPIT. So the first round will be conducted on 17th April 2021 and all are online written test itself, and it will be conducted virtually online. So first we shall quickly see the day 1 portion or the syllabus. So in day 1 it will be conducted on Saturday, that is 17th April 2021. So there will be 2 sections, basically section A as well as section B. So the first thing is the section A. So section A, it is common for all the branches. It can be any graduates, B or B Tech, and it is common for all the branches. So the first thing is in section A you can expect the question, that is the parts like aptitude, and second thing is engineering mathematics. So first you will get the questions from aptitude, then engineering mathematics, and the third part is professional skills and knowledge of English language, and next thing is the basics of C language, and the fifth part will be algorithmic thinking. So these are the 5 parts and which will be common for all the one who have registered and who have got the test link for the day 1, that is on Saturday 17th April 2021. So this is of section A. And next thing is section B. So this will be also on the same day. So within the section B you can expect the questions, that is on domain specific questions. So that is for circuit branches. So circuit branches, first thing is there will be multiple choice questions on the topics or the subjects, such as the first thing is control system, signal processing. So this is the complete syllabus with respect to different branch. First thing is circuit branches, then computer or IT engineering, mechanical engineering, and the electrical engineering. So this is the complete syllabus for circuit branches. So the first thing is circuit branches. So you can choose any one of this which is with respect to your branch. So in section B you can either choose circuit branch or computer or IT engineering, mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, and you can go through the test. So the first thing is circuit branches. You can expect the multiple choice questions on the topics or the subjects such as control systems, signal processing, then digital electronics, analog electronic circuit theory, and computer organization. So this is the syllabus for the circuit branches. And next thing is the computer or IT engineering. So those who have chosen the computer or IT engineering, once you complete the section A, then within the section B. So here you can expect the multiple choice questions on the topics or the subjects such as data structures, then computer fundamentals and architecture, and object oriented concepts, and finally the database. So this is the syllabus for computer or IT engineering. And next thing is the third part, that is mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering, again you can expect the multiple choice questions on the topics or subjects such as mechanical engineering basics, then control systems, math modeling, and vehicle dynamics. So this is the syllabus for the mechanical engineering. And the last is the electrical engineering. So again in electrical engineering you will be having the multiple choice questions on the topics or the subjects such as motors and generator construction, then power electronics, circuit theory, as well as the control systems. So these are the 4, that is the syllabus of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer or IT engineering, and the circuit branches, and this is the syllabus for those branches. And this will be asked in the section B. You can choose any one domain. So section A is common for all, and section B you can choose based on your domain. So this is the test pattern as well as the complete syllabus of all the branches. So this is only the syllabus for the day 1. So again in day 2 and day 3 the syllabus is different. So those who clear the first round, that is on April 17, 2021, then he or she will be moved to the next round. So in the next video we shall discuss the day 2 pattern, test pattern as well as the syllabus, and then after that we shall also discuss the day 3 syllabus in the further videos. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.